Hello everyone and welcome to Speaking in Public course tutorial. To get into the course, first go to this URL or you can scan the QR code as you see on the screen and then this window will show up. Sign in with Google and then fill in all the required information. After that, you will see this window. Make sure that you make your profile public by clicking on this icon. A window will show and you click on confirm and then this icon will turn into green, making your profile public so your teacher can have a look at your profile later. Then go to search at the top of the page and write in the search bar speaking in public and this option will show on the screen. Click on the first course, Speaking in Public. Then scroll down and click on the yellow icon to start the course. As you can see here on this window, you will have an outline of all the content of the course. To get started, just click on Get Started icon. Here you will have the first lesson. It will be a video lesson and it also has a transcript. So you can watch the video or read the transcript or you can do both of these options. After you finish, go down and click on Check Your Knowledge. This window will show up. On the left side, you will have questions to answer. Answer the questions and then click Submit. Don't worry, you have endless attempts for each question. So you can try and try again until you find or until you get all your questions right. Once you get your questions right, you will see the window on your right. Then click on Watch the lesson or the next lesson. After you finish all the lessons and answer all the questions, you will see this window. It will say Passed on this date. To get the evidence that you completed this course, go to your profile icon and then click on History. Then click on Print History. And then you will find a page with all the details about the course. Click on Save as PDF in the destination option and then click Save. In this way, you will save it as PDF and you can share this with your teacher later. Congratulations, you have done it. Keep sharing your success. Keep shining.